How'd the hipster burn his tongue? He sipped his coffee before it was cool. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, so if you guys are looking for a retro camera with the word hipster in the name, then maybe this one right here, retro camera, would be the one for you. Not hipster in the name, but description it is at least. I think there's like 49 different film effects or filters, as they're commonly called now, and I mean, I guess this is kind of cool because you could take the photo and use the same filter at the same time, which I guess that's not really that new either. Some black and whites, kind of cool. Some cinema effects, not my favorite. Some different Fs and some different Vs, which these different Vs are interesting, but it's like a bad photo example. It's just a wall painting of James Dean, I think, is what it's supposed to be, but yeah. The film one, I think, was the most unique. And maybe that's not even that unique. It's got a light leak, it's got some texture, and then it's got the film negative. For those of you youngins, this is actually like a negative that film actually used to look like it was on a reel, and it'd be in your camera, and you'd wind it around, and these little things up here would catch the thing and rotate you, and you'd... Never mind, you'll never understand. I can't explain it. Forget it. Anyways. Yeah, I mean, some of these are pretty interesting. And then they come with their own frames like that too, and some textured effects. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. Not too amazing. It seems like these are all the same. Nothing is really doing anything new. And when these effects can't even like be adjusted up and down or left and right or anything like that to change the customization, I just wonder if we're really trying anymore, guys. It seems like so many of these are exactly alike. Excuse me. So, like I said, taking the picture could actually be kind of cool with these filters on it. I mean, it's great there's not a lot of ads in this. I think that's one of the best things because there's so many of them out there that have so many different ads right now. But yeah, so retro camera seems pretty popular. Check it out, or don't.